everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick-up pile reading. This topic which we are going to cover in this reading is going to be their current thoughts and feelings towards you. In case you have someone on your mind, you would want to understand what are the thoughts and feelings towards you. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. We have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a butterfly, and this is pile B, which is a book. You can also pause the video and reflect on the cards and decide which pile you are being drawn to. Viewers, we also have the timestamp in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, then you can do that. I'll remove pile B for now. Those who pick pile A, this is the reading for you. We have the butterfly. Like I said, this is an ethereal being. It's all about grace and light. So maybe you embody those characteristics in you. This is also a transformation period for you. Those who pick pile A. Basically, there's going to be a positive transformation in your life. The first card we have here is the Four of Wands. So this person whom you are dealing with, this person certainly sees you as a person whom he wants to have a long-term future with you. He regards you as someone with a lot of personal allure, charisma. Maybe you're also someone who's full of surprises. He knows that there are always going to be suitors, or there's always going to be more than one person who's going to be interested in you. So he wonders whether he has any chance with you. Sometimes he may also think that you are a person who is quite secretive. There's a lot of mystery within you. I mean, you conceal quite a lot of things. You're also someone who has the ability to be ahead of the pack. Aside from this, I'm also picking up that because you're someone who is concerned about the home, so you may be someone who is quite a homely being. The next card we have is the Hangman. Perhaps this person also sees you as someone who is self-sacrificing. He also thinks that he has to sacrifice you in this at this point in time. I think in this connection, some kind of sacrifice has to be made. Maybe there's also some opposition to your love life, so that is why your person or this person is sacrificing himself, or you're putting limitations on yourself. I think there's a feeling of threat also in case you're in a hush-hush relationship, or it's a secretive connection. Maybe you all are threatened that someone could let the cat out of the bag. These thoughts could gnaw at your relationship. One of you, or either of you, or someone around you could also be facing physical or mental health issues. Whatever it is, your person also thinks you're quite witty, you're brilliant. Besides, you're very determined and resolved. Maybe you should not come across as someone who is hiding things. Maybe there should be more transparency in this relationship, or you should be more authentic. I think he is also someone who assumes a lot about you, which could all amount to nothing. Sometimes work could also be a priority for either of you. Incidentally, he thinks that we'll be together again. Whatever the sacrifices, whichever has to be made, he definitely feels that in case you're in separation, or in case there's a gap which needs to be bridged, or there's a physical distance, he thinks that the two of you will definitely be one again. The next card we have here is Hermit, and we clarify the Hermit. So we have the card Hidden Knowledge Pearl. So definitely pile A, this person does see you as someone who has to be more reflective, or who is more introspective as well. Maybe this relationship is also not acknowledged in case you are in case you are secretly in love with someone. Maybe he is secretly pining for you, but you are unaware of it. Some kind of disagreements are also possible with this person, so it would be prudent to avoid the same. Largely, I think I'm also picking up that there's a lot of pressure of work which both of you have to deal with. The fear of rejection could also be something which is affecting this relationship. Maybe he doesn't want to be spurned. Maybe he thinks that you have a superiority complex, or that you are you have an attitude, so you could reject his advances. Whatever it is, this person definitely has some feelings for you, and he does get overwhelmed for sure. In case you're already in a romantic connection, then this person does have meaningful conversations with you. Maybe he's also comparing you with someone if he is in a third party situation, or you're in a third party relationship. The pearl, also talks about the mood. So maybe either of you are very temperamental. Nonetheless, there's wisdom which has been gained through experience, and this person appreciates your loyalty and your generosity of spirit, your integrity and purity. Pearls can also balance karma, so it can also help strengthen the relationship. There are lunar forces also, so maybe the moon could also impact this relationship, or when there are eclipses or lunar eclipses, and or when you see the full moon, or there could be some kind of some kind of memories attached with the moon in your connection. I think he sees you as someone with a lot of beauty and who's got a lot of light, and besides you have a lot of inner strength. I think he also wonders whether it's all about fate, it's all about what is preordained, because we have the card fate over here. So maybe he thinks that whatever is written in the cards or whatever is preordained is something which cannot be denied or which cannot be overlooked. The next card we have is my heart is telling me just do it. Whatever it is that he has that burning desire to express himself, he wants to come forth with an offer of love in case it's an unacknowledged relationship. His heart is telling him to express his feelings, no doubt. The next card is I can still feel you. I think both of you are very connected to each other, or he can feel you energetically. Even if there's a physical distance between both of you, he can still sense you. So this person definitely can feel you, whether it's in the 5D world or whatever. Maybe he is also having dreams about you. Interestingly, the next card we have is mushrooms, which is dreaming. Maybe he's dreaming of a connection with you, or he's having romantic dreams with you or with you in it. These ideas and images, or these emotions and sensations that are arising in him, within him, cannot be denied. I mean, he cannot do away with them, because he's always thinking about you. I think his thoughts center around you. We have the card Bones Indestructible. He definitely sees this relationship as something which will last forever. It's like a permanent connection. Bones are indestructible, no doubt. So he thinks that this will last for a lifetime, or even it's going to be beyond lifetimes. Maybe even if you are not connected in this world, in another lifetime, the two of you were together. I just got sidetracked. So this person, like I said, there's a physical distance, or maybe sometimes he thinks that he has been ignored by you, or he may feel that he got lost in the way. Or maybe he has made a mistake, and that is why he has to deal with it. I just want you to be happy. Whatever it is, this person still feels that you need to be happy, and you should enjoy whatever life throws at you. He has your best interests at heart, regardless of where the two of you are. Another card we have is Crossroads. Another card we have here is I just want you to be happy. So wherever you are, in whichever direction life takes you, he still has your best interests at heart. He still wants the best for you, even if you aren't together. Another card we have here is at the crossroads. Maybe he's suffering from indecision. He cannot understand whether to take the road less taken or whether to go in the given path or given in a tried and tested path. He doesn't know what to do about it. He is still weighing the pros and cons of this relationship, or whether he wants to reconnect with you, because his feelings are something which he cannot wish away. I was reminded of your scent recently. So certainly this person is constantly thinking about you. Some kind of aroma or sweet smell lingers in his mind or in his thoughts, or something. Even if there's a particular scent which embodies you, maybe he could, those sensations are coming up in him, and he is feeling your presence even if there's a physical distance. Basically, Pile, I think this person definitely is longing for you. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Pile B, this is your reading. This is a book which I said is a storehouse of knowledge. If I open it, then you find a lot of pages within it. So certainly you're being called upon to read more books or to gain more insight in this relationship. Maybe the two of you have a book which connects both of you, or you have read the same books, or you read extracts from books to each other. So that is why those feelings and sensations, some books could bring up in both of you. I'll just keep this aside for now. The first card we have here is Death. This person whom you are dealing with, he certainly feels that you have brought about a transformation in his life. Love is definitely on his mind, even if he has those thoughts about you. There could also be some sexual thoughts also. He definitely feels your physical presence, which is undeniable and unmistakable. I think this person is madly in love with you, but there are also limitations. Maybe you are also someone who doesn't want to string anyone along. So maybe in that situation, even if you have said no to the relationship on account of that, because of those limitations, still that has also affected him, or that has also brought him a transformation. In case you are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I feel that there could be communication with this person, and it could be completely unexpected, quite like the bolt from the blue. The next card we have is Emperor. Maybe either of you, there's a distance in age, or maybe there's an age difference between both of you. I'm also picking up maybe that you are in love with someone who's an older man. If that is your case, then it could be so. Another thing, maybe this person also feels that you have other options, because maybe he thinks that he doesn't match up to you with respect to his looks or his physicality. But then you don't see it as that. You think love is deeper than it all. Either of you could also be very bossy, so try not to be too dogmatic in the relationship. I think you should reassure the person in case he is insecure about his feelings, or in case he fears rejection. Maybe you also someone who doesn't want to come across as being too persuasive, so maybe you could cold shoulder him at times, or you could ignore him because you want to keep the romance alive. In case you're already in a relationship, I think this person feels that the adjustments have to be made, and the time has to be made for each other, because your plans or your schedules could clash. The next card we have is Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups, as you know, is a card of completion. So this person definitely desires a union with you. It's an undeniable fact. Maybe at times also this person is gripped by nostalgia. He enjoys conversations with you. Maybe you are coming across as someone who's quite confident, positive, and besides, you have evolved for a or you have changed for a better person. Like I said, many of you could also hear from an ex, or in case you are in an extramarital relationship as well. I think this person feels that he can communicate with you as freely as he can, but he cannot do so with his own marital partner. The next card we have is I wish I could take back the things I said. So, in case there has been some miscommunication, this person obviously feels remorseful and he has that sense of regret and he wants to take back those words. If only he could turn back time, he would do that and he could remove all the negative exchange that the two of you have had. I know you are right, but I need to come to my own conclusion. Sometimes, like I said, this person could be plagued by thoughts whether he needs to listen to you or he needs to come to his own conclusions. Whatever the matter, whichever you are having discussions on, sometimes he has to delve deeper into the subject all by himself. Maybe there's a misunderstanding and he needs to understand and he has to deal with it and understand what he needs to do about it. Basically, he is being called upon to comprehend it deeply. The next card we have is bread, hospitality. Maybe the two of you have shared a meal, or you're someone who is very nourishing and nurturing. You know, the way to a man's heart is through the stomach. So maybe you have had some date nights, or those thoughts are also coming in. He sees you as someone who is very generous, you are very warm and friendly, you're an amicable personality. Besides, you're always sharing food with other people. I think for some of you, maybe you have had a work related romance or you have met on account of work because you need to put bread on the table. So that is the phrase that is coming to my head right now. The next card we have is tidal wave, disturbance. Possibly your sudden appearance in his life or in this person's life has brought in a wave of disturbance, or it has turned his life upside down. You know, a disturbance or this tidal wave can have a lot of effect, and the effect is going to be widespread or it can be overwhelming. It could cause a lot of damage. I mean, your emotion or this person emotions could fluctuate because you have come into his life all of a sudden and he doesn't know how to deal with it. I look at your picture often. Perhaps you have shared pictures, or maybe he's keeping an eye on you on social media, so he's looking up what you're doing. So that is why oftentimes he is reminded of you. Ever so often he looks at your picture or your images. The next card we have it comes down to timing. I think divine timing is at work in your life. So nothing happens before its time. So both of you have to bide your time and understand that timing is the key here. New direction is the next card we have. Maybe this person wants the relationship to move in another direction, or maybe he wants it to ascend to a higher direction. Last but not the least, I have the card, I know I made a huge mistake. So some kind of remorse is something which this person is dealing with respect to your relationship. Maybe he also questions the whole relationship because there are limitations, or there's a third party involved. So he may think that he should have moved away or he should have pulled away. Nonetheless, the tidal wave has brought in a lot of disturbance into his life, but then we meet people in our lives on account of karma, and there's a soul contract there which needs to be dealt with. You cannot brush the person away in case there's a deep connection and you have to balance the karma. So people come into our lives because of that. Some people touch our lives and change our lives upside down. So this person has felt the same about you. Interestingly, we have this book here. So there's a lot of knowledge which both of you are gaining. Maybe the two of you are also some kind of teachers as well. Maybe you're teaching or you're involved in the teaching profession, or maybe even as a boss you're guiding juniors. So even the possibility of having discussions on centered around work, I think you could tap into the person or this person taps into you for or sees you as someone who has a lot of an understanding about the subject. So that is why we have the book. I think that's about it, Pile B. Pile B, I hope you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.